Hey! Hello, sorry about that. So, had to be a slight change of plans, next Friday. But
Thursday, next Thursday. You said Friday, next Thursday.
I said next Friday.
Yeah. Do you mean Thursday?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah. I know
Okay, so I want to introduce you to another person in the vlog. This is, what's your name? Amy. This is Abby.
Not Abby, Amit. Yes. Hello.
You want to say something else?
Uh,
Don't worry. I might not win, so don't
what
really
should I
matter.
say about you?
What do you want to say?
You're a
You got a good
nice
shot.
boy.
Actually, it's more tricky. 'Cause it
Good
goes
one.
Hey, and you all remember Peter?
Hey.
Peter.
Yeah, the guy who didn't look happy.
Yeah.
Why are you not happy?
I am happy. I'm just. I think that Ryan's just gonna win. I know Ryan's definitely gonna win.
I see.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You're worried.
No, I'm not worried. I'm fine, mate. I generally am fine. Well done, Ryan.
Okay.
He's
You
not
wanna see me on
very
Yeah.
convinced.
Alright.
Hey, you want to see the inside?
Probably a hole in it.
I thought I was going to drop my phone in there, but don't worry, I'm not.
Who's I? Hello.
You already said hello. Okay. So,
Do I ring it? Okay. It's possible.
babe, explain to us why we couldn't do the prank.
We weren't allowed to because we can't do it here, can we?
Yeah,
We'll
so
probably be able to do it like if you're outside of club, but we're not allowed to do it.
disappointing, and someone spoiled it, and Ethan already knows. Thanks a lot, Leah. Let's go see Ethan.
Right? He's doing this vlog. Ryan smashed me.
I'm playing pool, Charles.
Ethan, how do you feel?
He feels lovely.
You going on touches? Yeah. Hello, play.
Jeepers.
Hello.
Looks like a pyramid.
Don't play.
You can play as well, yes.
Today play
Ryan.
me and you. Me and you.
This is Elliot going, why are you recording? Why are you recording?
Oh God.
You.
And me, him.
Hello.
I want to play as well.
Okay.
Right,
Okay.
down.
You play.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Wait.
Let's do the time walk again.
I can see your armpit.
Jump to the left.
Charles.
Dabbing it. Wait, yeah.
Who?
Dab. It's dab fever. Dab fever.
Okay, me and Warren.
Woo.
See who wins.
They poked me with that then.
Sorry.
God.
Sorry. I'm only saying sorry.
Yeah, I know. And that was me and my finger.
Last one. And oh. No.
It's a yellow.
No, it's black.
Yellow.
What colour is
Yeah.
it? Wait.
Oh shit.
Language, you're on the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mine is language.
Sorry.
Naughty boy. I'll wash your mouth out, devil.
Stop.
I just don't.
Stop what?
You can change your hair.
Recording now. It's in the mic.
Change your mind. What?
It is now.
What were you giving me?
Oh God.
Was it you can change your... Oh my god, okay. I didn't want to touch your bum. Okay. What?
You already got a boyfriend.
Yeah, it wasn't me, it was you. You walked into me.
Oh, what?
Ethan, do you want them?
Yeah?
Earlier, he's had enough chocolate for today.
I do
He's
mind.
hyper.
He's had a whole bag of stars and then he's had some chocolate.
I have even finished them, yeah?
Exactly. Oh, Ethan, don't
Do
be
you know
rude.
Charles? He gave me his whole.
Oh, I'm not looking, don't be rude. You
Did he,
finished.
Charles? Yeah, he did. And after.
I'm on video, don't video me.
And
It's right,
after.
go on, it's right, just go there. Go there.
Go that
So
side.
he's doing it on purpose. Aren't you?
No, he's trying to get me.
Yeah.
Go there.
Good night.
Ethan.
Wait, what?
What's that?
Even I went.
What's the time?
Ryan.
It's just 8 o'clock. Oh, language.
Judge.
Even there could be little kids watching it, so you're more careful.
What? What?
Anyway.
I'm playing next with Peter.
That's it.
Yes, love, you do that, love.
That's it. love.
Yes, love. Yes, love.
Yes, love.
They
Don't.
said-
Ethan, I know Ethan's a message.
Yes, love, you do that, love. Yes, love.
I'm just saying,
Yes,
you can
love.
mess it up. That's all.
Yes, love.
No, because I'm winning then. Ooh!
Yeah, but you could completely lose it by putting the black in.
Oh, shut up.
No, black, sure. Or Ryan, maybe. Ryan. Ryan might do it.
Are they your parts?
Yeah, these might.
What are you doing?
These are
Trying to get the pool cube that
They're the ones that we played at the start.
made.
Oh, these are yours.
These are mine. Nick's got his own, but he's got the one
Oh.
right through. The one that you got.
Why?
Yeah.
I hate
Hey.
to sit.
Hey, everyone, you're in Ethan's house now.
Oh, it's like it's like a no teeth version of it.
I'm not taking her to my house.
No, I'll just be creepy.
I'm joking.
The emoji one.
That's what Charles
He
said.
said he's
No.
joking.
Oh.
Ethan Hillard in the house.
And
It's
it's
a,
a conversational one, which I got in my
The next player cannot bend
elbow.
the elbow.
Bad luck, mate.
until Someone says Uno. How many of them have you got?
3 of them. And then basically there's 4
You
in
know,
total.
so you need
4 rounds,
drinking.
and then for the conversation.
How many other ones?
That would really have something. Do you want to play it?
No, I want to see the other ones.
They got me.
You should have asked for. You should.
What?
okay, this is all we got. So, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
No, Ethan, all of us.
Bye.
Hey, catch you.
Okay,
Hey, okay, catch you very soon.
Bye.